Today we are going to solve this problem, LeetCode problem 88, merge sorted array. So in this problem we are given two sorted array, nums1 and nums2. So we also get two numbers m and n. M tell how many real numbers are in nums1 and n tells how many elements are in nums2. Okay, in nums2. So now look at nums1 carefully. It has extra zeros at end. Okay, those zeros are just empty space, they are not real element, and our job is merge both array into one sorted array and store the result inside nums1, okay, itself. So let's take example. So nums1 is 1 2 3 0 0 0 and nums2 is 2 5 6. Okay, so m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. So the real element of nums1s are 1 2 3. Okay, so after merging and sorting, nums1 should look like this: 1 2 2 3 5 6. Now after merging it's look like this. We have to merge this both nums1 and nums2 so that this all the spaces, this was empty, we have only these three elements only. So 1 is smaller than 2, we take 1, next 2 and 2, next 3 5 6. Okay, in nums3 there are 3 elements, in nums1 there are 3 elements, and in nums2 there are 3 elements. Okay, so let's take one more example. If we have nums1 1 and so m is equal to 1 and nums2 is empty array, so n is equal to 0. Okay, so m tell how many elements in nums1 and n tell how many elements in nums2. Okay, so nums2 is empty, so nothing is to merge, so the nums1 stay as it is, now 1 only. Okay, let's take one more example. Nums1 is 0, m is equal to 0 and nums2 is 1, n is equal to 1. So nums1 has no real element, so m is equal to 0, it was all 0, so we just put nums2 element into nums1, so nums1 become nums1. Okay, so see, merge, we have to merge two sorted array into one sorted array. Okay, and we have to store the answer in nums1. So I have to store the answer in nums1. Then how to solve this problem? Now think like that, how do we solve this? Okay, let's take our example only, that example only. Nums1 is 1 2 3 0 0 0. Okay, nums2 is 2 5 6. Now think, if we start filling from the front, we will have to shift element to the right, that is messy and slow. So the idea is smart. What if we fill from the back? Nums1 has empty space at back. Okay, yes, nums have empty space at back, so the 0, so we can use those space. We place 3 pointer in here, we place 3 pointer. P1 for points to the last real element of nums1, means m minus 1 index 0 1 2 at 2. Okay, index 2 value is 3 and pointer 2 points to the last element of nums2 0 1 2 at 6, and p pointer points to the last position of nums1. Okay, 3 2 3 4 5. Okay, P point here and P1 points here and P2 points here. P1, P and P2. Okay, now see. P1 is 2, index 2, okay, and P2 is 2, index 2, value is 6, and P at index 5, okay. Now at every step we compare nums of 1, P, and nums of 2, P2, whichever is bigger goes to P1, okay, here. So then move that pointer backward. This way we fill nums 1 from the back, biggest element first, okay. Let's see. So P1 is equal to 2, NUMS, nums of 1, P1 is 3, okay. So the value is 3, this one. And P2 is 2, nums of 2, P2 is 6, index is 2 and value is 6. So which one is bigger, 3 or 6? So which one is bigger, 6. Put 6 at nums 1, P, okay. We put 6 here, 6 comes here. Now our nums 1 look like this, 1 2 3 0 0 6, okay. Now we move P2 backward and we move P backward, okay. So P2 comes here and P comes here, okay. Now see, next step, P1 is equal to 2, at index 2 value is 5, so P1 is, no, P2 at index 2, okay. Now first is P1 is at index 2, so P1 comes here, and P2 is at index 1, so P2 comes here at index 1, P2 comes here, okay. So which one is bigger, 3 or 5? Which one is greater than 3 or 5? So 5 is greater, so we put 5 at P1, okay. So 5 comes here. Now our array look like this, 1 2 3 0 5 6, okay. So we move P2 backward, so P2 comes here and we move P backward, okay. Now P comes here at index 0 1 2 3. Now let's see in third step, P1 is at index 2, nums of 1, P1 is equal to 3. Now P2 is 0 at index 0, so the value is 2, nums of 2, P2 is 2, so which one is bigger, 3 or 2? So 3 is bigger. Now we put 3, so 3 is stay here, 3 comes here, okay. Now what we do, move P1 backward, so P1, now we move P1 backward, so P1 is equal to 1, P1 comes here, so P is, we move P also backward, now P is 2, okay. So P comes here at index 2, wait, 0 1 2 3 4, so P comes here. Next see, P1 is 1 and nums of P1 is 2, so P2 is 0, nums of 2, P2 is 2, which one is bigger? So 2 and 2 is equal, so we can pick either. Let's pick nums of 2, P2, okay. We to pick P2 is equal to 2, so we put P2 at P nums 1, P in nums 1 we put p in 1, so nums of 1 2. Okay, so now see our array look like this: 1 1 2 3 5 6. Okay, so we move it, go out of bound, here we stop. So that's how can we write the code. Now let's write the code exactly what we did in our Ryzen. We need 3 pointers. Int p1 is equal to m minus 1. Okay, so p1 start from here. P1 start from C. A new EMS nums of 1 and a new nums of 2. Okay, so this is m and this is n. So p1 starting from m and p2 starting from n. Okay, from last index, int p2 is equal to n minus 1. Next, int p is equal to m plus n minus 1. Okay, so next, while p1 is greater than equal to 0 and p2 is greater than or equal to 0, so what next, wait, what we do, if nums of 1 p1 is greater than nums of 2 p2, nums of 1 p is equal to nums of 1 p1, so p1 we move backward, else nums of 1 p is equal to nums of 2 p2, so we have to move p2 also backward, p2 minus minus, and we have to move p also backward. Okay, now we have to copy the remaining elements of nums 2. Okay, so while p2 is less than or equal to 0, nums 1 of p is equal to nums 2 of p2. Next, what we have did, p2 and we have moved that pointer, so p2 also backward, p also backward. Okay, p2 minus minus and p1, no, just p minus minus. Let's see, it's yes. So every single line is exactly what we did in our Ryzen. Okay, now let me clear this. Now let's verify with one more example. Let's take another example. Nums 1 is equal to 4 5 6 0 0 0, m is equal to 3, and nums 2 is 1 2 3, n is equal to 3. So see, p1 is equal to, wait, 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2. Okay, so p1 is equal to 2 and p2 is equal to 2. So p is equal to 5. So p1 start from here and p2 start from here and p start from here. Okay, now see, p1 is equal to 1 and p is equal to 4. Okay, 4. p1 is equal to 1 and p4 p is equal to 4. So nums of 1 of p1 is equal to 5 and nums 2 of p2 is 3. Okay, so see, p1 comes from here and p from here. Okay, now see, we compare this. 5 is greater than 3, we put 5 at p1 position here. P1 4. Oh, wait, let me clear this. See, we have nums 1 is 4 5 6 0 0 0 and nums 2 is 1 2 3. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. p1 is 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2. So p2 is 2 and p is 5. So in step 1, see, nums of 1 p1, nums of 1 p1 is equal to 5. And nums of 2 p2 is 3. So 5 is greater than 3. Yes, we put 5 at nums of 1 4. Okay, so it's look like this: 4 5 6 0 5 6. Okay, next p1 is 0 and p is 3. No, next p1 is 1 and p is 4. Okay, I think I have missed this. I have missed this 6. I have started from here now. Wait, last, sorry. No, see here: 4 5 6 0 0 0. Okay, this was nums 1 and nums 2 is 1 2 3. M is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. So p1 is 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2. p1 is 2 and p2 is 2, this, and p is 5. Okay, now in step 1, see, nums of 1 is p1, that was 6. Okay, so p1 start from here and p2 start from here. So p start from here and last time I have started from here, that's why. Okay, so p1 start from here. See here, that was 6 and nums 2 of p2 is 3. So 6 is greater than 3, yes, so we put 6 at nums 1 5 position. Okay, we put 6 here, 6 comes here. Now our array look like this: 4 5 6 0 0 6. Okay, next see, now p1 is 1, so p is 4, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So p1 comes here and p comes here. Okay, so nums of 1 p1 is 5 and nums of 2 p2 is nums of p2 is 2 3 2. So nums of 1 is 5 p1, so nums of 2 p2 is 3 p2 is 3. So 5 is greater than 3 years, we put 5 at nums of 1 4, here we put 5. Okay, 5 comes here. Now our array look like this: 4 5 6 0 5 6. Okay, now p1 is 0 and p is 3. Nums of 1 p1 is 4 and nums 2 p is 3 only. So 4 is greater than 3 years, we put 4 at nums of 1 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5, we put 4 here. Now our array look like this: 4 5 6 4 5 6. Okay, so p1 is equal to -1 and p2 is 2. So p1 is equal to -1, here we will stop. No, p2 still has element 1 2 3, then we copy them. Okay, we copy 3 elements. Here we have copied, see, in here we have copy. We copy 3 element at nums 1 of 2. So nums 1 is 4 5 3 4 5 6, p2 is 1 and p is 1. We copy 2 at nums of 1 1. Okay, so how it look? Nums of 1 is equal to 4 2 3 4 5 6. So p2 is 0 is equal to 0 and p is equal to 0. We copy 1 at nums of 1 0. So now it's look like this: nums of 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so p2 is -1, here we done. So the final answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now see, let's talk about the time complexity and space complexity. So the time complexity is big O of m plus n. So p1s go through the all elements of p nums of 1. Okay, here see, this p1 has goes through all m elements of nums of 1 and p2 goes all n elements of nums of 2. So each element is visit exactly once. So the total time complexity is m plus n is equal big O of m plus m. Okay, and so the space complexity is big O of 1, because see, we only created 3 variables 1 2 3. Okay, so no extra array, no extra space, just 3 variable. So the space complexity is big O of 1. Okay, so the what we have did in this problem, we fill nums 1 from the back using 3 pointers. Okay, at every step bigger element goes to the back. After the loop, copy remaining of nums 2 elements. That's it. So this is a solution and it works. That's all.